Good morning, children. Today I am going to start English grammar verbs. Before starting, I want to say all the class 7th students, please save my number 8871307900. Again I am repeating 8871307900. Because earlier you are getting your notes via website, but nowadays we are sending via broadcast. But in broadcast, if you are not saying my number, then you will not get any notes. Okay? And before 1 week of your exams, I will not send you any PDF. If you are asking me, then also I will not get you. Okay? So please save my number and give me a reply that ma'am, I saved your number. I need this PDF or that PDF. You can ask me. But before exam 1 week, don't ask me any notes. Because continuously I am asking you to save my number and you are not saving my number, and that's why you're not getting the notes. Okay? So must save my number and send me a reply. Now verbs. Words which show actions are called verbs. Again I am repeating. Words which show actions. Any actions? Actions, whatever you are doing, like if you are standing, you are sitting, you are sleeping, you are talking, singing, dancing, reading, writing, all the actions are called verbs. Again, all the actions are called verb. Okay? See, Rahul is playing, I am reading a book, Neha is talking to Priya, Ravi is running in the class. So all that given bold letters, they are called verbs. Playing, reading, talking, running. Okay? Now see, a verb may refer to present time, past time and future time. Present time means the time is going on now. Past time, that is over. And future time, that will come. A verb that refers to present time is called present tense. A verb that refers to past time is called past tense. A verb that refers to future time is called future tense. Okay? Now see, all the three tenses. Here I am talking about all the three tenses. Present tense, past tense and future tense has 4 forms. All the tenses has 4 forms. Like present tense, the simple present tense, the past, the present continuous tense, the present perfect tense, the present perfect continuous tense. Here you can see the rules also, and you must note down these rules in your note copy. Okay, and you have to learn these rules. The simple present tense, verb first form plus s or es. The present continuous is am, are plus verb first form plus ing. Here you see where you have to use is with he or she. You can use is, like he is talking, she is talking, he is eating, he is fighting, she is fighting. So with he and she you can use is. Okay? After that, am. With I you have to use am. I am dancing, I am singing, I am reading, I am watching television, etc. Are. Where you have to use are? We. With we, they. Okay? With we or they you can use are. And you also. And you also you can use are. We are going, they are going, we are talking, they are talking, they are dancing. Okay? Now, after that, after using this, if you are using is am, are, whatever it is, then you have to use verb first form, then ing. Ing you have to use in continuous tense. Because it is present continuous, then you have to use ing. Now see, the present perfect. In the present perfect is what? See, the present perfect is used to talk about actions just completed. Just completed action in the past with a result now. Then what you have to use with present perfect? Has or have. Has or have. Where you have to use has? With he or she, you can use has. And with I, we, and you can use have. And after that, verb third form. Okay? Now see, the present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense is used to talk about actions that started in the past and are still going on now. Again, I am repeating. The present perfect continuous tense is used to talk about actions that started in the past and are still going on now. Suppose you started painting a wall yesterday and still you are painting. Still you are painting the wall from tomorrow to now. Then it becomes present perfect continuous tense. Okay? Now see, past tense. Rules you must note down in your copy, because again and again I will not give you. See, past tense, the simple past, the past continuous, the past perfect, the past perfect continuous. Same as present tense. The simple present, the past present continuous, like that only. The simple past, the past continuous, the past perfect, the past perfect continuous. Here in the simple past, verb first form plus ed. The past continuous, you must use was or were plus verb first form, then ing. Was or were, where you have to use was or were? Was you can use with singular. I was, she was, he was. Were must be used with plural. Okay? So were, after that verb first form, then ing. The past perfect tense, had plus verb third form. The past perfect continuous, had plus been plus verb first form, then ing. So these rules you have to note down in your copy for your better understanding. Now see, future tense. The simple future tense, will or shall plus verb first form. The future continuous, will be, shall be plus verb first form plus ing. The future perfect, will have plus verb third form. The future perfect continuous, will have plus been plus verb first form, then ing. Okay, children, you must note down this. Whenever you use, you can see this continuous word. If continuous is there, ing will come. With verb first form, ing will come. Anywhere you can check it, whether it is in present tense, past tense or future tense. If there is any continuous word is given, then verb first form plus ing will come. Okay? Now, exercise. First, I will read this. The simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to talk about repeated actions, habitual, regular, everyday, etc. Facts, generalization, and universal truth. Again, I am repeating, simple present tense is used to talk about repeated action. Repeated action means the action which we are doing every day, like any habit, any regular exercise. Okay, like every day you are going to school, every day if you are using uh, mm, uh, drinking milk, okay, or every day if you are doing exercise, or every day you are going your music class, whatever it is, any daily work, any habitual work, or any facts, truth, or universal truth, like the earth is round, everyone know this, no one can say this in my country the earth is square shape. Okay, so universal truth, so this is called simple present tense. Your mother loves you means every day she loves you, this is called simple present tense. Now, the present continuous tense is used to talk about actions going on now, longer action in progress now, and those that will happen in the near future. The present continuous means action going on now, means something is going on now and in future also, and is still in progress, and in future also it will continue. So that is called the present continuous tense. The present perfect tense is used to talk about actions just completed. Just completed action in the past with a result now. Like, for example, if you are writing in your class and suddenly you said, "Ma'am, I have completed," or "Ma'am, I have done." So, when you are writing and suddenly you say, "I have completed," "I have done," or "she has done," "he has done," this is called present perfect. Means in the present time you have completed the work. This is called present perfect tense. That's why in present perfect has or have will come. Have will come with I or we or you, and has with he or she. Okay. Now see, the present perfect continuous tense is used to talk about actions that started in the past and are still going on now. Again, I am repeating. The present perfect continuous tense is used to talk about actions that started in the past. If you start any work in the past, like you are painting a wall, you had started yesterday and still you are painting, your painting work is not completed, it means this is present perfect continuous, because it is continuously you are doing from yesterday to today. So this is called present continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense. Okay, now see the exercise. Complete the passage with the verbs given. Here verbs are given. As I told you, in present simple present tense, verb first form plus s or es, but with plural you won't use s or es. Okay, so here penguins is given. Penguins means plural are given. So penguins are bird. They dash in large group. They live in large groups in the Antarctic region. Penguins walk and move. Walk and move like human beings. They dash themselves. They swim themselves with their flippers. Flippers also help them to balance and waddle in the water. Their feathers keep them warm and protect them from cold. Penguins build nest with pebbles or grass. The female penguins lay bluish white eggs The eggs hatch in about 7 weeks. The present penguins guard the chicks until they are 4 weeks old. They always stand in groups of 100 or 200. The world of penguins is indeed an amazing one. Again, I'm reminding you, here in this, you had done the exercise of simple present tense. But because it is plural, penguins are plural, that's why we are not adding s or es. Okay? Now see the B exercise. Abhishek is a topper in the board exams. In this interview, he talks to a reporter about his daily routine. Complete the questions of the reporter. Use the simple present tense. Again, they are saying to use simple present tense, means verb first form plus s or es. Now see, reporter, congratulations Abhishek. Abhishek, thank you very much. Reporter, can you tell us all about yourself? Abhishek, sure. Now reporter, first you have to see the answers. You have to make questions. Okay, so see the answer. I read my lessons for 2 hours a day. I read my lessons for 2 hours a day. So what must be the question? How many hours do you read your lessons? How many hours do you read your lessons? And then question mark. Remember this, you are making questions, so you have to put question mark. Now see the next answer. I wake up at 5 a.m. Now the question must be, when do you wake up? When do you wake up? Question mark. Now see the answer. Next answer. Yes, I work out sums in the morning and I study the other subject in the evening. Now question is, when do you study maths and other subjects? When do you study maths and other subjects? And then question mark. Now Abhishek. At school, I listen to the teacher carefully. I note down everything when I have doubt and don't hesitate to ask my teacher. So must be your question is, how do you study at school? How do you study at school? Question mark. Now see, before exams, I never get tense. I finish all my lessons well in advance. I only revise them before the exams. I write down all the difficult answer. Okay, now the question must be, how do you prepare for exams? How do you prepare for your exams? Now, next. My parents help me sometimes, but I prefer to prepare on my own. Now, do your parents help you with your studies? Do your parents help you with your studies? Okay, now see the next answer. When I'm free, I read books or play tennis. Sometimes dad takes me on long drive. Now the question is, what do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? Question mark. Now see the next answer. At weekends, I watch TV, I play with any friends after I finish my homework. Now the question must be, what do you do at weekends? What do you do at weekends? Then question mark. Now the reporter, thank you Abhishek. I hope many students get inspired by your success. Wish you a very bright future. Now this exercise is finished here. I'm going to end this video now. I will continue tomorrow. Thank you.